Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Sagittarius. Wheel of Fortune in reverse center of my spread. Is somebody going through a bit of depression? Sadness? There's a need to make a decision here, Sagittarius. Things are stuck, yes. Knight of Pentacles in reverse as well. So this is stuck energy, right? So somebody's trying to get out of this depression or whatever. Maybe trying to... Let's see. This is like... maybe somebody's trying to find victory or happiness through work right now. Because things are stuck. Maybe there's been some petty behavior, but somebody's making a decision. I'm not going to fight for this anymore. I'm making a choice. I'm dropping this. Enough is enough. I can't stay stuck like this forever. Okay? So Sagittarius, maybe there's a bit of pride and ego also coming in the middle. I will clarify these cards and figure out what's happening. So let's start with some dialogue message cards, Saggis. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Saggis from another deck. Sagittarius and their person. Okay, that's enough, I think. Let's start your reading. The first card here, Saggi, says, "You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you." It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the kind of person anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how to fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. I feel so much passion for you. Please get to know me again. I have changed. All right, Saggis, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you first, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Steady progress. I have no clue in what sphere of your life, but this is a message for you. You have to continue making steady progress. Don't look backwards. Don't get stuck. If you are feeling stuck right now, one foot ahead of the other, that's all you need to do. Okay? So continue moving. If you're feeling stuck, well, it's time to drop whatever is not resonating with your, life, lifestyle, whatever. Dump the extra burden and continue your path forward. So, Spirit, who's in the Four of Swords energy and why? One more. Somebody is feeling very stuck here. Somebody is feeling very stuck, very tired. Maybe you guys are not communicating with each other. Maybe somebody was hoping for a commitment which hasn't come. What's the Six of Wands, Spirit? Six of Wands. There's a lot of ego and pride. That's what I was feeling. There's a feminine energy here who's very upset, very angry. Somebody does want to work on things now and kind of end the fight though. Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Three of Pentacles. Yes, this is a very strong connection, but the person, whoever this Queen of Wands is angry with, they kind of sometimes fall short. They are either a promise breaker, or they don't deliver, or they're not. Yeah, this person is a very in and out, flighty energy. Somebody is trying to concentrate on maybe diverting their mind through work or something, for trying to kind of heal themselves. Yes, drop this energy of this player that they have in their life. Somebody who's very inconsistent, and my light is flickering away. Okay, so somebody is very upset, even though there's love here, Sagittarius. Somebody is recognizing that, well, it's time to drop this. It's time to heal myself and get better, because this person is not going to change. I think this Queen of Wands considers, yes, see, very toxic, very petty. They're dealing with somebody who they feel is very toxic. Very, very, very petty behavior here. So I think this Queen of Wands is the person who's feeling, yes, it was a good connection. Maybe it is a soulmate connection. But if you're not going to step up, then I have to release you. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yes, things are very stuck at the moment. Yes, things are very, very stuck at the moment. Somebody is feeling there is no victory to be had, and it's better to make one choice and maybe choose yourself. Yeah. High Priestess in reverse. High Priestess in reverse, Spirit. Yes, something has come out in the open. Maybe somebody didn't make the right choice that time. Maybe they were sitting in their little selfish energy, or prideful energy, or egoistic energy, very self-centered behavior. Whoever this person is does have regrets. They do have regrets that, they have been exposed regarding whatever, I don't know what. Seven of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Yes, there's a Queen of Pentacles who's decided to take care of themselves, concentrate on their work, bettering their own life, because they feel this connection, they're not being respected at all, right? What's the point of fighting for, a player who's going to come in and out of my life, who's always going to be a promise breaker or a heartbreaker? This person seems little toxic to me. At least not to me. I mean, that's what the Queen of Wands is saying. So it's better that I concentrate on my own life, what gives me security, what gives me happiness, my own finances. Two of Swords in reverse. Somebody is making a choice. Yes, this is the Empress. Since this, I think Queen of Wands has made a wise decision for their own self and their own life. They are making steady progress every day, and they are now emerging as the Empress. Doing very well in their own life and attracting a lot of abundance as well. Ten of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Ten of Wands in reverse. It's frustrating the other person. Yes, it's making the other person angry. It's weakening their position. They feel that their cheating, lying behavior is the cause of them getting dumped. Okay, and it's not making them feel happy at all. They're feeling as if somebody is dropping them, and that's really making them frustrated. Be careful, this person could come in and even just have a fight with you just for the heck of it, because they're feeling that, you don't need them anymore, or you're dropping them, or you're dumping them, or not just fighting for this connection anymore. So, yeah, things have stagnated, right? Let's take a card for this as well. Spirit, what's the Knight of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody is deciding to leave this person behind, end this all this conflict, and move on to find peace and harmony and happiness within their own life. It's almost like a rebirth, that stress, getting over stress of somebody who was always, you know, being a player or being inconsistent. Am I right, Spirit? Yeah, see, this is the end. This is feeling like this is the end of a cycle. This Queen of Wands is making that decision. That but other person is still watching. They are still getting upset and angry, waiting for some response. I don't think this Empress is interested anymore. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Sagittarius.